Hey y'all, salut! My name is Sassou and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will share with you my 5 everyday brown lip products that I use during this fall season to elevate a simple daily makeup and that you also need in your collection. So here we go. Alright, so the first one is by Fenty Beauty Lip Paint Collection. It's called Unveil. It's a liquid lipstick with a matte finish. This one is a dark chocolate brown. It's a very beautiful formula. It looks amazing. And also what's great is that you don't need to put a lip liner with that one. Only if you feel like it, but honestly it is gorgeous just as is for fall. So the second one is a lipstick by Revlon. This one is called Superstar Brown. It is a perfect everyday brown lipstick. It's almost like a nude brown. It's very comfortable on the lips. It's smooth. It also has a matte finish. And if you're not into very dark browns, well, this one honestly is the perfect shade for you. So the third one is Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick by Too Faced. This one is in the shade Naughty by Nature. It's a long wearing lipstick and it's a very pigmented color. It's a rich formula. Also very comfortable on the lips. It's a deep warm brown and gorgeous for fall. You honestly have to give this one a try. And just like the one by Fenty Beauty, you don't need to use a lip liner with this one because it's already perfect just like that. It's really honestly personal preference if you're rather adding a lip liner prior or after you put on your lipstick to have more definition for your lips, but this one just like that is perfect. So the next one is a lipstick by MAC Cosmetics. This one is in the shade Chestnut. I know they have also the lip liner called Chestnut, but they also had a lipstick called Chestnut. I don't think this one is still available because I had mine for a long time now, but if ever you happen to have this one in your collection, well, it is perfect just to have that very vampy look, you know, like that Lauryn Hill vibe. Dark brown lips. This one is more cool tone compared to the other ones, but it is a very rich, beautiful brown color. So the next one is a lip gloss by NYX. This one is from the Butter Gloss collection lip gloss. So it is in the shade Ginger Snap. It is very glossy, not sticky at all. So it's a pretty sheer gloss. So if you want to intensify the color, then you will need to add a few layers of the lip gloss. Okay, one of my favorite tricks when I don't have any lip products with me, but I always carry a lip liner somehow in my purse, is to use this one. Specifically this one by NYX. It's a lip liner in the shade Urban Café. I use it prior with the Revlon lipstick, but you can also use it alone on your lips. So it gives you a very inexpensive option to carry in your purse because I think this one is like $6 Canadian, or I think US is maybe about $3. So this concludes my favorite brown lip products for fall. Let me know in the comment section below if you have one of these products and which one is your favorite. And thank you so much for supporting my channel by liking the video and sharing it with your friends. and subscribe to my channel for more, and I see you in the next one. Bye, à la prochaine.